Have you ever tried to fix a plumbing issue with a YouTube tutorial and a wrench? Sometimes it works, but other times it leads to small flood and a bigger bill. There are a few small plumbing tasks that most homeowners can safely handle. A clogged drain. A plunger, baking soda, and vinegar, or a small drain snake can often solve a slow drain. A leaky faucet. If it's just a worn washer or a cartridge, you can usually replace it with some basic tools. A running toilet. Often it's just the flapper or chain, easy fixes once you can identify the issue. We even have customers call us for advice, and we walk them through it for free. If it's a simple fix, we'd rather save you money and earn your trust. Some problems look small, but can cause major damage if not handled properly. Here's when to bring in a licensed plumber. No hot water, could be your water heater, or a deeper plumbing issue. Low water pressure, might be a clog or a pipe leak underground. Sewer smell or backups, big red flag, call us right away. Frozen pipes. Ontario winters, anyone? Don't wait for a burst. Any leaks inside a wall, floor, or ceiling. Hidden leaks equal hidden damage. If you're not sure, call us. We'll talk it through and let you know if you actually need us. When something goes wrong, you don't just want anyone poking around your pipes. You want someone who knows what they're doing, shows up when they say they will, and doesn't leave a mess behind. Here's what to look for when hiring your local plumber. Licensed and insured, always, no exceptions. Local experience. We know the homes and the plumbing systems in Barrie. Clear communication, from diagnosis to next steps. Real reviews, see what your neighbors are saying. Clean, respectful technicians. It's your home and it should be treated that way. Emergency support. Plumbing doesn't wait for business hours. Not every plumbing problem needs a pro, but when you do, it's good to know who you can count on. Need advice? A fast appointment, or emergency plumbing in Barrie right now? Contact Affordable Comfort today and speak with your local expert who actually cares. Thanks for watching.